National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cook County and north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gainesville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over many rural areas of northeastern Cook County. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 498 and 503. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.